Hey now family, look what I got! My Young No. I'm so happy. I've been trying to get some of their products for 2 years now, and I really want to try it. I'm grabbing some scissors real fast. I'm so excited about trying it. And then every time I would get like the money together, I would forget about shipping or something like that. Alright, so you see that. I didn't get the shipping sticker off of it, so I'm not going to tip the front down. My son was like, Mom, we had groceries delivered at the same time UPS came, because UPS didn't want to come until 8 o'clock at night. Like, really, UPS? And, so the box, just had to throw it down real fast so I put groceries away. Look, I don't know. And my son's like, Mom, your box is leaking. But he just knows what monomer smells like, so he thought it was leaking monomer. So it just smells like there's a leak. I hope there's not nothing leaking. I don't want to send it back. I want to play with it. Alright, so we're just going to open it up and just check it out real fast. And then tomorrow we're going to swatch everything and review it. Alright, so I got it open. Can I get this? Wait, where's the... Here it is. Just there we go. I got the address part off, so it was, sorry, a bunch of, it was just wrapping paper on the top. I just want to show you so you know how it looks packed. So you got faith in buying from these places, and you know it's going to come to you. Because sometimes maybe stuff is costly to you. Uh-oh, see? It looks like there's like water damage on it. Oh, let me tilt it up. Okay, now can you see it? There's like... just more paper, and then this. So this would be the like little gel surgeon kit. I got they had like two. They had acrylic really small pack, which wasn't available, and then they had like a really small kit for gel. So it doesn't come with like a brush and slip solution and stuff like that. It just comes with like some main ingredients. You guys, I don't want this to be leaking. I don't even know if you can send it back. Look at it. It's soaked. Alright, there's the corporate. It's soaked. You can... Oh, I don't want to get this on my hands. Let me grab some gloves real fast. I have contact dermatitis and eczema. So I don't try to get it on my skin as least as possible so I don't have really bad breakouts. Alright, there we go. Look, it's like literally the lid looks like it's twisted off, but I don't think that's why. Oh, maybe I did get it to turn a little worse. You can see this is why it's stinking. I think it's just this one though. But this is right on top of this powder. It doesn't look like it got through to the seal of the powder. I don't know, because I don't know. Should we? I don't know. How much is missing? Let's open it and see how empty they are. I don't know. This one's not leaking at all. It was just one bottle. So I guess there's not seals. Looks like there may be a seal at the top, but it's not the kind that like was down here at some point in time. Oh yeah, so a lot spilled out. You can see the difference now that both of them are open. See, this one's up to the top, you can see it. See, you can even get the there. I seen light shine for a second. It's like so far down in there you can't even get the. Oh, there you can see it now. But one's so it really comes slap full. It's just the accidental leak. So this is what everything comes in this one. So especially if, like, you just want to try, if you know you like gel, you just want to try this type of gel out and stuff, this is a really great thing. So like you already have the brush and everything like that. And then I was thinking too, it's got the extra protein bond in it. So I was like, what? It's worth it even just for the little protein bond. Is this dirty? I don't know what that is. Okay. Whoops. There went flying gel bottle. If it wasn't dirty, then it's dirty in there. So they put these things in there in case it leaked, I guess. Well, thank God, because you can see how much leaked out. These are slap full with it. And then you can see the box is slap full with liquid too. I don't, like, maybe this comes in it all the time, or is it already like leaking and they put it in there? I don't know, I'm just saying. So everything that comes with it: 2 6 ounces of nail liquid, 45 grams of Speed Clear, Speed White, 45 grams of Cover Pink, Cover Blush, and then the Slick Pour, Kitty Blitz, and Flash and Burn. 8 ounces of Swipe. There, you can see a little bit now. 8 ounces of Swipe, cuticle oil, Finish Gel, Protein Bond, Brush On Glue, 3 files, 4 files, 2 combo files, and then 2 different, 150 and a 100, a sponge, Soak Off Natural Assorted Tips, Soak Off Clear Acrylic Brush, a manicure brush, 100-piece nail forms, plastic eyedropper, and a glass dampen dish. Here's the brush. It was like right out in front. So it's a little bit smaller than the other one that I just got, which I did on purpose because I wanted to do some showing with just different sizes and stuff. Okay, it's done. Nail files. These are the forms it comes with. Oh my God, the forms are soaked too. You see the moisture all on the forms too. So I spent $105, I think. I think it's $105 now. That is the cuticle oil. See, the name is on here, but that one had monomer all over it. That's why I couldn't see it. See, I think it's powder or something that leaked out on the corners of this one. Because the corners of this one, they look different. That's why I was like, what? I couldn't tell if it was spilled powder or what. Be clear. These are really nice size jars. Because look at the, like, a small jar compared to it. They're pretty decent size. Like this is the Swipe. See, why wouldn't the nail monomer have like maybe its own box or plastic wrap or something? The Swipe has its own box for the alcohol solution. And it has the pump is not in the Swipe yet. So it has a lid. I like it. It has a textured surface. And then you just put the lid on. And then this is this and this. Oh, I messed it up pretty good. And then the glue's in here. The protein bond is in here. This bottle looks so small compared to what they use on the video. This is those slick pour powders I was telling you about, which is kind of like their dip powders they use, which is kind of like colored acrylic. So because it's so late, because UPS doesn't know how to drop packages off before dinner time, we're gonna have to do this tomorrow. I mean, we already ate dinner and everything, but I can't get into this tonight. So we're gonna do this tomorrow. Obviously, screw what spilled because I don't want to return nothing or worry about any of that because I don't want to. And I just wanted to spend my money and enjoy my products. Here's all these files came in the big set. So on the outside, and then the rest in the middle. Open it right now. I'll open it tomorrow when we go through it. You guys know I love using nail forms. I really sucks. I mean, flipping soaked. I'm gonna take them out. I'm touching it. I'm gonna take them out and let them dry so I can try to use them. See, the ones in the middle wouldn't be so wet and stuff. Because I don't do tips. I mean, I can do tips just fine. But for some reason, I started out doing forms. So I really like doing nail forms a lot better. Alright, I'm going to get my phone off. This is Kids Yogurt. And this has a slick pour and Dumping dish. Here is that's separate, the gel kit that I got. Look at all those powders. These are really good sized powders too. The corporate of the mess. Alright, you guys, I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm super flippin' excited to still swatch this and see how you want to get how much flippin' liquid spilled again. No wonder he could smell it. I think the brown box on the packing box got it too. It just went through everything. But we all know, I mean, monomer is super strong and that's what it does. Alright, you guys, I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.